Hey everyone, got another EDC video for you. But first, I hope everybody's doing good. I hope if you're staying at home, you have everything you need. Take it easy. Hopefully this will pass soon. Myself, as of right now, I'm still working. But I figured I'd do a video, my Sunday video. I didn't get a chance to do a midweek video. I usually put one out around between Tuesday and Thursday, and I didn't do it this week. But this week I'm going to show you my small collection of budget knives. And these are budget knives, with the exception of one, which if you got the regular model, it would be 50 bucks. This one was more expensive. So I'll probably do these in order cheapest to more expensive, which kind of follows the order that I bought them in. So first up is the Kershaw Hotwire. This is a Walmart exclusive, spring assisted. It's actually a nice little knife. It's really cheap. Talk about budget, you can get these for 9 to 12 bucks. I think I paid 11 and change for this one. And that was a while ago. I've seen them for 9 bucks. So, liner lock, spring assisted flipper. It's small, it's lightweight, it carries really well. The steel is only 3CR whatever, so it's soft steel. I sharpened it several times. It feels like I bent the tip just a hair. You can feel something. I'm not sure if you can notice anything. It just feels a little different, but it's a nice knife. I carried this every day for quite a while. It kind of turned into my little EDC Expedition EDC pouch knife, but I still carry it once in a while as a backup. I mean, the thing fits in your fifth pocket, watch pocket, and jeans. And if you carry this in your front pocket, you literally forget it's there. So that's the Kershaw Hotwire. Next up is another Kershaw I bought. This is if I didn't mention it, it's a Walmart exclusive. You can only get it through Walmart. Next one I bought at Walmart also. Another Kershaw, the Shuffle 2. This one was under $20. I can't remember. 18. I really like the style and the looks of this knife. The stonewash tanto blade. It's got a little screwdriver tip, bottle opener. I've used this as a light duty pry bar a couple times. Fits pretty good. Actually carries pretty good. Even though it's wide, it carries really light in the pocket. This is either tip down, left or right. I do prefer them tip up, but I have no issues carrying this tip down. Next one I use and carry quite a bit. It's a K-bar Dozer. You can't beat this knife for 20 bucks. I think I paid $20.50 from Blade HQ. So lightweight. Good ergonomics, just fits good. It's lock back. As you can see, I have used it. I scraped some of the black coating off. This is a good knife. I carry it. We go walking in the woods with the dogs or hiking. That's why I got orange. Figure if I dropped it, I'll be able to find it. But for $20, you really can't beat these. Next one is everybody's favorite. Ontario Rat Model 2 and D2. This is a great EDC knife. It is so lightweight. It's got D2 steel. Stays sharp. Nice blade. Slices, cuts through anything you want to cut through. Fits good. I got large hands, so it's a full 3.5 finger grip. Carries good. It's not a real deep carry, but it's just an overall good knife. I really like it. I'll carry this every now and again for my primary carry, but it's usually a second knife backup, or when, you know, part of my light carry when I got shorts or jogging pants or something on that doesn't weigh your pants down. Same with the K-bar. I'll carry that too. So next up is next on the price list, but it's the last knife I actually purchased, and it's the Go Tenacious. This is turning into my absolute workhorse. I've used it at work. I carry this at work, but I carry it all the time. I cut anything I want with it. You know, it is 8CR13 MOV steel, so I have sharpened it a couple times and stropped it a few more times. But everybody knows about the Tenacious. I got it on sale for $42. Absolutely love this knife. I think it's opened up the world of Spydercos for me. I'm sure I'll be getting more, just not right away. So this is turning my ultimate, I'll do anything with this besides sit there and Spidey flick it all night watching YouTube. Last but not least is the most expensive knife I have, and my favorite knife. It costs 70 some bucks, but you can get the regular models with G10 scales for $50. That's my Civivi Elementum with the copper scales. Now this was a Blade HQ exclusive. I was going to buy a regular Elementum, saved up the money for it, and just before I went to buy it, I saw these listed coming soon. So I saved up the extra 25 bucks and waited, and I literally took the day off from work the day these went on sale, so I'd be right at my computer to order it. Now this is D2 steel. I haven't done anything to this, and it's still razor sharp. I've used it. I carry this every single day. Carries really good in the pocket. It's heavy though. It's heavy. It's almost 5 ounces, 4.9. But it's usually in my leather organizer, just like that. My front pocket. And carry my pen, flashlight, knife. Although I do skip this once in a while and have this in my pocket. Like I said, this is my favorite knife. Yeah, I probably will. I don't do what I do with this. So I do take care of this a little bit more than any of the rest of them, but I don't have to. This thing will do whatever you want it to do. I mean, almost drop shuts. So that's my budget knife lineup right now. Unfortunately, I think it's going to stay this way for a bit until all this stay at home, out of work type of social distancing stuff takes, goes away, gets better. Never know what you're gonna need money for. But I just want to show everyone what I got. Hopefully in the near future I get more and bring it to the channel. But yeah, an order of price, $10, 15, 18, 20 bucks. I think these are about 36, 38. These are on sale for 42 because they came out the lightweight. This was 76, I think, and Blade HQ, but the G10 handles you can get for $50, $51. Steel wise, 3C, CR, whatever, 8CR, 13 MOV, OS 8, D2, 8CR, 13, and D2. So this is what I consider budget. Definitely anything under 100. For me, it's anything under 50. So this one, I wanted it. I got it, but I'm going to get a regular Civivi Elementum one of these days. So that's it. I hope everybody is doing good. If you like this video, give it a like. Leave a comment if you have any of these knives, what you think of them. Give me ideas for my next budget knife, 50-ish and below. I'll check them out. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to do videos on each one of these, just quick, specs and what I think of them and stuff. But I guess that's it until next time. Bye.